This unit is going to focus on the basics of Smartsheet, the fundamentals. These are topics that provide a foundation that applies to many different aspects of the system. So I'm going to explain them in a general way, which you'll be able to apply in different places of the Ultimate Prep system. Of course, you can skip ahead to any area of this tutorials course to get to whatever you want to learn more about. But this unit will be a great reference for those who really want to know what's possible through Smartsheet with the Ultimate Prep system. Each module will include a video on the feature being used via a web browser, as well as a video of the feature being used via the mobile app if that feature is available through the app. Here's an idea of some of the topics we're going to cover in this unit. We'll discuss using your Ultimate Prep system via the browser versus the mobile app. When would you want to use one over the other, as well as what limitations exist in the mobile app because they're not conducive to a small screen. We'll cover basic navigation, of course, in both the browser and the mobile app. We'll discuss working with sheets, including adding rows, adding images and attachments, formatting your rows and cells, moving rows around like copying and cutting and pasting, or even drag and dropping, sorting and filtering, resizing columns, hiding and unhiding columns, freezing or unfreezing columns, and even commenting within sheets. We'll also cover how to set up automatic backups and how to share your Ultimate Prep system. I'm sure there will be additional topics added in the future, but this gives you a good sense of the types of things we'll cover in a general way in this unit so that you're acclimated to your Ultimate Prep system using Smartsheet. So let's get started.